He is Tony.
He is Tony. هغه Tony دی.
He is a good person.
He is a good person. هغه یو ښه انسان دی. Good ښه.
He is rich as well.
He is rich as well. هغه مالدار هم دی. As well یعنی هم د also په شکل استعمالیږي.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Dad. سهار مو په خیر پلاره.
How are you, my brother?
How are you? ته څنګه یې؟ My brother زما وروره.
I am good, my sister.
I am good. زه ښه یم. My sister زما خورې.
I am going to work with my dad.
I am going to work with my dad. زه کار ته ځم زما د پلار سره.
See you later.
See you later. وروسته به سره وګورو.
Take care, sweetie.
Take care, sweetie. د ځان خیال ساته ګرانې.
We will see you later.
We will see you later. موږ به ستا سره وروسته وګورو.
I am also going shopping, Dad.
I am also going shopping, Dad. زه هم شاپینګ ته ځم پلاره.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. ښه ورځ ولرئ.
Hello, Tony, my cousin.
Hello, Tony, my cousin. سلام Tony زما cousin. cousin د ترو زوی، د ماما زوی، د تره زوی، د ټول ته ویل کېږي cousin. او که همداسې لورګانې هم وي په ښځو کې هغې ته هم cousin ویل کېږي.
How are you?
How are you? ته څنګه یې؟
Have you read the news?
Have you read the news? آیا تا نیوز لوستلی دی؟ ګوره have you read دلته نه ویل کېږي، دا read ویل کېږي. اصل کې third palm دی، نو ځکه لیکلو باندې ټول یو شی راځي، خو تلفظ به بیا د دې read کېږي چې کله موږ په second او third palm کې pronounce کوو.
I am on social media again.
I am on social media again. زه په social media باندې بیا یم، یعنی دوباره یم.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? ته د څه په باره کې خبرې کوې؟
What have you done this time, Barack?
What have you done this time? تا څه کړي دي دغه، یعنی دا ځل دې څه وکړو؟ Barack.
I have not done anything.
I have not done anything. ما هیڅ هم نه دي کړي.
I was hanging out with a girl last night.
I was hanging out with a girl last night. I was hanging out مطلب زه چې دی وتلم ورسره په چکر، یعنی بهر وتلم with a girl د یو جینۍ سره last night پرون شپه.
She was drunk.
She was drunk. هغه مطلب نشه کې وه.
I just helped her.
I just helped her. ما صرف د هغې سره مرسته وکړه.
My mom saw my picture with that girl.
My mom saw my picture with that girl. زما مور زما picture یعنی عکس مې وکتلو د هغه جینۍ سره.
I lied to my mom.
I lied to my mom. ما خپل مور ته دروغ ویلې. lie دروغ ویلو ته ویل کېږي.
I said she was your girlfriend.
I said she was your girlfriend. ما وویلې چې هغه ستا girlfriend وه.
You have to help me again this time, Tony.
You have to help me again this time. ته باید زما سره دغه ټایم مرسته وکړې، یعنې دغه ځلې. Tony.
What? Not again this time.
Not again this time. دا ځلې بیا نو.
When will you change, Barack?
When will you change? ته به کله بدل شي Barack.
You have to grow up.
You have to grow up. ته باید چې دی مطلب پرمختګ وکړې.
You should join your dad's company.
You should join your dad's company. ته باید د خپل پلار کمپنی join کې، مطلب ګډون سره وکړې.
I always help you.
I always help you. زه همیشه تن ستا سره مرسته کوم.
Please don't do this again.
Please don't do this again. مهرباني وکړه داسې دوباره مه کوه.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. ډېره زیاته مننه.
You always help me.
You always help me. ته همیشه زما سره مرسته کوې.
I will change myself.
I will change myself. زه به خپل ځان بدل کړم.
She is Ava.
She is Ava. هغه ایوا ده.
She is Barack's fiancé.
She is Barack's fiancé. هغه د Barack کوژدنه ده.
She loves Barack a lot.
She loves Barack a lot. هغه د Barack سره ډېره مینه لري.
No way.
No way. داسې نشي کېدلی.
I cannot believe this.
I cannot believe this. زه په دې باندې باور نشم کولی.
This cannot be happening.
This cannot be happening. داسې نشي کېدلی.
Why, Barack, why? You cannot do this to me.
You cannot do this to me. ته زما سره داسې نشي کولی.
You always do this.
You always do this. ته همیشه تن داسې کوي.
Ava, what's the matter?
Ava, what's the matter? مشکل څه دی؟
Why are you upset?
Why are you upset? ته ولې خپه یې؟ Upset خپه.
Talk to me, my sweetie.
Talk to me. زما سره خبرې وکړه my sweetie زما خوږې.
Barack, Mom. He is on social media again.
Mom, he is on social media again. هغه په social media باندې بیا دی.
He was with a girl last night.
He was with a girl last night. هغه تېره شپه د یوې جینۍ سره و.
He was hanging out with that girl.
He was hanging out with that girl. هغه د هغې جینۍ سره مطلب وتلو په چکر یعنې باندې وتل د ملګرو سره hang out دې ته ویل کېږي.
He does not love me, Mom.
He does not love me, Mom. هغه زما سره مینه نه لري مورې.
He always does this.
He always does this. هغه همیشه تن داسې کوي.
I cannot stand it anymore, Mom.
I cannot stand it anymore. زه نور دا نشم برداشت کولی. Stand it مطلب برداشت کول.
He has to tell me everything.
He has to tell me everything. هغه باید ماته هر څه ووایي. دلته د has to مطلب باید راځي.
I am his fiancé.
I am his fiancé. زه د هغې کوژدنه یم.
Calm down.
Calm down. آرام اوسه.
I know Barack very well.
I know Barack very well. زه براک ډېر ښه پیژنم.
He is a good boy.
He is a good boy. هغه یو خالق دی.
He will tell you everything.
He will tell you everything. هغه به تا ته هر څه ووایي.
He cannot cheat on you.
He cannot cheat on you. هغه به تا باندې دوکه نشي کولی.
Maybe she is his friend.
Maybe she is his friend. کېدای شي هغه د هغې ملګرې وي.
You know he is a rich person.
You know he is a rich person. ته پوهیږي چې هغه یو مالدار کس دی.
People publish fake news on social media every single day.
People publish fake news on social media every single day. People publish مطلب خلک چې دی خپروي. Fake news دروغ خبرونه on social media په social media every single day هره یوه ورځ.
You have to wait.
You have to wait. ته باید انتظار وکړې.
He will tell you everything.
He will tell you everything. هغه به تا ته هر څه ووایي.
Fine, Mom.
Fine, Mom. سمه ده مورې.
I think you are right.
I think you are right. زما په نظر باندې ته صحیح یې.
He will tell me everything later.
He will tell me everything later. هغه ما ته هر څه وروسته ووایي.
You know love Barack a lot.
You know I love Barack a lot. ته پوهیږې چې زه د براک سره ډېره مینه لرم.
I cannot live without him.
I cannot live without him. زه د هغې نه بغیر زندگی نشم کولی.
He is my love.
He is my love. هغه زما مینه ده.
I know my sweetie.
I know my sweetie. زه پوهیږم زما خوږې.
I am starving.
I'm starving. زه وږی یم.
Let's have breakfast now.
Let's have breakfast now. راځه چې همدا اوس د سهار چای وڅښو.
Come with me.
Come with me. زما سره راشه.
Sarah, look at him.
Look at him. هغه ته وګوره.
Your dream boy came.
Your dream boy came. ستا د خوبونو هلک رالو.